When it comes to Flexxbuy, there are several crucial things you need to know before you dive in and make a purchase. Flexxbuy is a modern financial software that's often compared to other platforms like Affirm or Klarna, but how does it really stack up? Stick around because we'll break down 7 essential points that will help you understand if this is the right tool for you, whether you're a small business owner or just trying to find a seamless way to manage purchases. Now, before we jump into all the details, did you know you can try Flexxbuy for free from the link in the description below? That's right, get hands-on experience before making any decisions. Let's dive right in with the first thing you need to know. The first thing to understand is that Flexxbuy operates with a flexible payment model, which makes it very appealing for businesses looking to offer installment options to customers. What sets it apart from competitors like Klarna or Affirm is its simplicity and focus on seamless integration with existing e-commerce platforms. If you've struggled with the clunky setup of other services, Flexxbuy offers a more intuitive experience, making it easier to implement without overwhelming your team. Next thing, Flexxbuy offers a wide variety of payment plans. You're not just limited to the typical 4-installment model seen in many other buy now, pay later services. Depending on your customers' needs, you can create customized plans, whether that's weekly, monthly, or something more suited to your niche. This flexibility can be a real game changer for your business, especially if you have customers with varying financial capacities. The third thing to know is that Flexxbuy is geared towards helping both small businesses and larger enterprises. Unlike other competitors that cater mostly to major e-commerce giants, Flexxbuy has a clear focus on smaller businesses, offering them the tools they need to grow and manage transactions easily. This makes it more accessible for entrepreneurs who might not have the same budget to work with as the larger players in the market. Now let's talk about fees. Flexxbuy is fairly transparent with its pricing, but just like any service, there are some costs involved. You'll need to pay a transaction fee whenever a customer chooses the payment plan option, but it's generally lower compared to the likes of Klarna and Affirm, which can be a major draw for businesses trying to keep overheads down. It's important to know how these fees stack up with your existing costs, so you can make an informed decision about whether it's a good fit for your business. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that Flexxbuy prioritizes customer experience. This goes beyond just the payment options. The platform's user interface is incredibly easy to navigate, and their customer support team is known for being responsive and helpful. If you're offering this to your customers, you'll have peace of mind knowing that they'll be taken care of if anything goes wrong during the purchase process. Next thing, security. Flexxbuy takes customer data security very seriously. Their encryption technology ensures that all transactions are safe, so you won't have to worry about the sensitive information your customers are sharing. This is especially crucial in today's online shopping landscape, where data breaches are unfortunately all too common. The platform follows industry standard protocols, making it a trustworthy option for both businesses and consumers. And the seventh thing to know is that Flexxbuy offers robust reporting tools. Unlike some competitors, which often leave you guessing when it comes to understanding customer behavior, Flexxbuy gives you clear insights into your transactions and customer preferences. This is incredibly valuable for businesses that want to refine their offerings and understand what's resonating with their audience. The better the data, the more you can tailor your marketing efforts, increasing your overall sales. So, to recap, Flexxbuy provides flexibility, a wide range of payment options, accessibility for businesses of all sizes, and excellent customer support, all while keeping costs down. If you're looking for a buy now, pay later service that stands out from the crowd, Flexxbuy is definitely worth considering. And remember, if you want to try out Flexxbuy for free, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't want to miss.